Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you that how you can edit a PDF file or a PDF document in Microsoft Word offline. So for an example and demonstration, I have a sample PDF file here, which I'm going to edit in Microsoft Word, and then after I will save it back to the PDF after the editing. So make sure that you have the Microsoft Office installed on your system, and Microsoft Word should be installed as a part of the feature of the Microsoft Office. Then only you can do that. The first step you can do, just right click on the PDF file that you wanted to edit, go to the open with option, and you need to look for Microsoft Word. In case if you do not see it, go to that option which says choose another app. When you do that, scroll down more apps and look for Microsoft Word like I have it here. If you still don't see that word in the list of your apps, there's another option that you can use. For that, you need to just open up the Microsoft Word, a blank document, go to the file menu, go to the option open, then browse and select the file that you want to edit. I selected sample PDF file that I wanted to edit. Click open. So when you do that, it will open up that file in your Microsoft Word. So this is a sample document. You can see here it has multiple pages, but for example, I'm just editing here just to check here. So let me remove few of the files, and let's say that any other data I just wanted to edit here. Let's say test. I'm using that as a test check, and I'm removing that. I'm removing that as well, and just putting here test. Now once you're done with the editing part on your Microsoft Word, what that file, so go to the file menu, go to save as option, click browse, choose the location where you wanted to save, and from here you can see there's an option here, save as type. Make sure we need to select PDF from here to convert back to the PDF. Now the file name I have here is edited sample PDF file. Click save. It will convert your Word document into the PDF within next few seconds. Now it's open in the Adobe Reader. You can see that the changes we made here, and there's one here as well. We can see the test check. So it has been edited now. So this is how you can edit any PDF document in Microsoft Word and offline. I hope you like this video. Thank you.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.